Promotions are meant to grow volume, but too often they turn into costly guesswork, which results in overspend, poor execution, and no proven ROI. In FMCG, promotions get messy fast. Multi-tier discounts and overlapping events create complexity. Manual spreadsheets and inconsistent baseline add to the confusion. And with price wars, inflation, and rapid reforecasting, margins vanish quickly. In consumer goods, every discount looks attractive on paper, but evidences show that they often backfire in execution. Running trade promotion is a complex, costly, and unpredictable process, and the evidences proves it. From financial drain of unverified deductions and the lack of data reliability to the organizational connect that creates cost trade-offs, the result, there is a need for platform that creates clarity and control to the entire process. So, welcome today. I will walk you through our trade promotion intelligence platform built on Pigment. This platform is designed to turn every promotion into profit. This platform is a powerful tool designed to streamline the entire promotion lifecycle. The journey begins with our collaborative approach. The system automatically suggests new promotions based on the historical data and allows you to import old ones, conquering the challenge of manual and time-consuming planning. Next, the marketing analytics team tackles the uncertainty of sales forecasting. Our machine learning-based forecasting model predicts the baseline revenue with a single click, turning a tedious task to quick, accurate insight. This actually helps quickly to determine the revenue from a particular promotion. To ensure promotions are profitable, we provide dedicated sections for managing costs. The finance team can input and review all the finance-related costs, while marketing team handles all the marketing costs, and this all feeds up in a comprehensive cost summary, giving you a full view of your expenses. The biggest challenge is understanding a promotion's true effect. By mapping this cannibalization and halo effect, we can solve this problem. This feature ensures you have a comprehensive view of how your promotions impact your entire product portfolio. After factoring this in the system, the platform generates a detailed P&L statement to validate the profitability. We solve the problem of post-promotion analysis with our budget and actual variance analysis. The platform's multi-user role ensures connected approach across all teams. This culminates in executive dashboard where you get a high-level view of the performance to see how each promotion contributed to all over the business goals. As we saw, our platform provides a complete end-to-end solution. But what truly sets us apart are our advanced features that turn our data into definite action. With our native machine learning-based forecasting, you predict our future sales by just one single click. With our powerful AI insights, we analyze your data instantly, telling you exactly what numbers mean. And our scenario planning feature explores all what-if scenarios, allowing you to understand proactively and adjust your strategies to get optimal results. So, stop managing your promotions with disjoint spreadsheets and manual analysis. With Pigment, our trade promotion intelligence platform is the definite solution designed to integrate every stage of your promotion lifecycle for maximum profit.